Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces gamit ang ating tarot cards para malaman natin kung ano yung gabay, mensahe, advice ng tarot cards for Pisces. Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading. So pwedeng mag-resonate Pisces, pwedeng hindi, okay? And ang ating channel po ay welcome po ang lahat ng gender. So, kung kanino man ito mag-resonate, take nyo lang po, mababae, lalaki, and LGBT man, okay? So, shuffle muna natin kung ano ang advices ng tarot cards for Pisces. And this is a timeless reading, Pisces. So, kung anumang araw mo to napanood, buwan o taon, as long as mag-resonate sa sitwasyon mo, take nyo lang. Pag hindi, wag pong ipilit, okay? So, death. Okay, so pwede you're dealing with someone na Scorpio sign. Okay, pag lumalabas to Pisces, huwag kang matakot. It's not literal. Okay, ano pa po? The Devil, Page of Wands, and the High Priestess. Okay, bottom of the deck, oh wow, the Empress. So, sa nararamdaman ko, Pisces, there's a transformation in your life. Okay, there's a big shift in your life. And merong natapos, pwedeng natapos mo na yung chapter ng buhay mo na kung saan medyo toxic, ang dami mong dinidil na mga like problema, stress, okay? Dahil dito meron tayo ditong the devil and this card represents as toxicity, negativity, pwedeng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo or yung sitwasyon mo mismo, okay? Lahat ng mga hindi kagandahan andito, okay? So, with the death card na nauna and the devil ang kasunod, so there's a transformation, there was ending, there was something na natapos. You have already passed the toxic cycle of your life, Pisces, toxic chapter of your life. That's what I meant to say, Pisces. Sa nararamdaman ko, there's a transformation, there's a new beginning, merong something na nakalampas ka na dun, Pisces, okay? And it's a good thing kasi wala na to, hindi na to kumbaga hindi na to nag-i-exist pa sa buhay mo, Pisces. It's over. Lahat ng mga hindi kagandahang sitwasyon sa buhay mo, kumbaga karmic situation, Pisces, nalampasan mo na yun, okay? And you have a lot of wisdom, a lot of life lesson to learn, or you have learned something about those situation, okay? Nagbago ka, you have a better changes in your life, Pisces. Meron kang mga natutunan, nagbago ka kasi meron tayo ditong the High Priestess. And this card is all about your mind, your feeling, okay? Your intuition, your gut feeling. So, ang dami mong natutunan sa kung ano man itong napagdaanan mo dati. It's like a karmic situation in your life, Pisces. And you are going to the place where mapupuno ka ng mga opportunities, mapupuno ka ng mga bagay na kumbaga mabibisi ka, Pisces, okay? Lahat ng mga magagandang bagay darating na sa'yo dahil natapos mo na to, napagdaanan mo na to, nag-graduate ka na sa ganitong sitwasyon, Pisces. Hindi na to nag-i-exist sa buhay mo, okay? And congratulations with that. Ang dami mong natutunan, ang dami mong napagdaanan, and it changes you to a better person, Pisces. And it's really a good thing. And meron tayo ditong the Empress. And sa nararamdaman ko, ikaw to, or pwede you're dealing with someone na may motherly energy or feminine, big alpha feminine energy na pwedeng you're dealing with, okay? So, pwedeng nanay mo to, pwedeng tita, pwedeng boss na babae, kaibigan na tumulong sa'yo for you to receive this kind of opportunities, okay? So, pwedeng merong taong specific na tumulong sa'yo, humila sa'yo palabas sa ganitong sitwasyon, Pisces, especially the devil, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw to. Okay, puwedeng you're the feminine energy na kumbaga nagbago ka talaga. There's a big transformation in your life and you are, changing into a better person. Nagbago ka, ang ganda ng pinagbago mo and you are the empress in your life, Pisces. Sobrang ganda. This is an alpha female. Lahat ng mga magagandang bagay na meron si the empress, kitang-kita nyo, nakaupo siya sa magandang upuan, may magandang damit, meron pa siyang corona, okay? This is the significant partner with the emperor, the empress, okay? You are the boss. You are someone with a higher energy, higher situation in life, and you are already this kind of person, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na ganito, okay? Hinila ka nito palabas sa ganitong sitwasyon, or ikaw to na nag-evolve, okay? You become a better person. You become the Empress, Pisces, and congratulations sa big transformation, big shifting in your life na natapos mo na tong the karmic situation, okay? Or patapos na, Pisces, kumbaga lalabas ka na sa ganitong sitwasyon, and after this one, pag natapos na yan, meron ng mga magagandang bagay ang darating sa'yo, okay? Kasi you are ready to receive this kind of opportunity, to receive this kind of beautiful things in life, Pisces, okay? So, sobrang ganda. Alam mo yun, yung reading natin ngayon is all about transformation, shifting in your life from becoming a better person, okay? And receiving a lot of abundance in life dahil natapos mo na to yung mga toxic, negative situation na actually kailangan mong pagdaanan, Pisces, for you to have a wider perspective in life, Pisces. So, okay? Yun lang po, Pisces, ang ating reading gabay mensahe ng tarot cards for you for today, okay? Naway nagustuhan niyo po. And huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel na Pisces Hub and ang ating isang channel na Gel Tarot Guide na makikita po sa description box below po. Click niyo lang po yung link and click the notification bell, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos natin, okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!